Well, I've told this story on a number of occasions, but when I was in an after-school program in Atlanta, Georgia, through the YMCA on Campbellton Road, we used to play court TV. And I really liked the People's Court at that time because I had so much respect for Judge Wapner. And so every time we would play court TV, I had to be the judge. And so that was the start of really where my interest in being a judge came about. From there, when I was in college, I was on the campus Judicial Council. I became the chief judge my senior year. And in law school, I was on the honor board. And then when I became a litigator here in Atlanta, after clerking for a judge, I was entrusted to serve on a number of hearing boards and panels, both in the city of Atlanta and in DeKalb County, where I now preside. So there have been a lot of people who've invested in me on this journey and who have allowed me to practice my judging before I was appointed by the governor and then elected by the people in DeKalb County. My favorite part of the job is that even though I have to see so many people in a variety of different cases, I had the ability to form a program for first-time nonviolent offenders called Project Pinnacle. It is an in-court, one-year supervised program. Members of the community have invested heavily in the program. We teach the young people life skills. We start everywhere from emotional intelligence and we move through career development, dreaming, vision boarding. And it's been just a remarkable contribution to our justice community because after a year, I've not seen any of the participants come back with new charges. And this is the 8th year that I've done the program. It's my hope that I can work with our county leaders to form a more robust response to persons with mental illness. I'm the founder of our county mental health court at the felony level, and it would be my hope and dream that we would have a resource center where individuals can be transported when they're having a crisis on the street instead of to jails and hospitals, and also a resource center to provide people with ongoing treatment, counseling, and resources. I hope that that can be part of my legacy that I leave as a leader in DeKalb County and a leader on the bench. I am so busy as chief judge right now that I have a stack of books that I've not been able to complete. So I have about 3 that I've started, including one that says I Can Teach You to Be Rich, which I'm working through with the Project Pinnacle participants. But my daily reading consists of the Time magazine, just because that small magazine is packed with so much information about what's going on in the world and locally. So that's kind of my go-to recreational reading outside of reading briefs that the attorneys are filing so I can rule on their cases.